to guiding the next generation of Girl Scouts. Strong, empowered, and community-driven young women.
Isang taon, 10 years old na siya, pero grade 3 pa siya.
Magandang araw. Isa na naman pong araw ng training amin. Ayan kami kumakain. Si Noel. Tapos pagod na po.
Isa ka basic essentials.
Women's Day celebration niya. Ang ikatulo kay sa Community Day or environment kay para sa ng tree planting, coastal cleanup. Agree mo, ma'am?
Yes, super.
Sige, magsulat tata.
We're having our pressure day.
Ceremony. Gusto ka lang ng ceremony. Isa daghan.
Take note, nagiging ka isa lang. This is a round song. Okay. First, dito lang.
Ano?
To inspire, stories to tell, music to sing. Come, come, light up the fire. Come, come, light up the fire. Come, come.
Gamay rin sa junior, no?
First part sa ato program at mga istorya ang school ahead. Tapos so na po daw ni ang party. Sige, start na ta. We are gathered together to welcome to our Girl Scout Sisterhood the new members of Troop 296 Crossing Bayabas National High School. If we would show these girls the true path of scouting, we must remind ourselves that honor is sacred, and that it is upon this that our promise is built. As scouts, let us prepare ourselves to receive these girls. Girl Scout, let's sing all together, Girl Scouts together.
Energy.
Happy are we. Dingy oceans. Nawalan.
We are gathered together to welcome to our Girl Scouts Sisterhood the new members of Troop 296 Crossing Bayabas National High School. If we will show these girls the true path of scouting, we must remind ourselves that honor is sacred and that it is upon this that our promise is built. As scouts, let us prepare ourselves to receive these girls.
Dapat matulog ang kakakay. Sa inyo man ang buwan, magkakaroon dito, hindi kita makamit ito. Ay, awan na daw. Tulungan dito ang mga bata upang sa, para makamit ulit sila. Okay? Okay. Ang nakapalog daw, ganda lang ito. Girl Scouts together, that is our song. Winding the old trail, rocky and long. Learning our motto, living our creed. Girl Scouts together in every good deed. Girl Scouts together, happy are we. Friendly to neighbors, far or the sea. Faithful to country, loyal to home. Known as true Girl Scouts wherever we roam.
This candle, which I now light, represents the spirit of scouting, which we hope will guide you all throughout your life. The three candles, which I am now about to light, represent the 3 parts of Girl Scout promise. This candle shall shine as a symbol that the Scouts' greatest desire is to be of service. This candle shall shine as a symbol that Girl Scouts are true to God and their country. Lastly, may the light of the third candle shine as a symbol that Girl Scouts are true to their ideals as represented by the Girl Scout law. Investing officers, may I request you to please be here beside me. Girls,
Sige, picture.
girls, please take one step forward. Before taking your promise, I ask you to listen once again to the promise and vow, appreciating as you do so what these words are to mean to you from today on. A Girl Scout honor is to be trusted. Scout is here. A Girl Scout is healthy. A Girl Scout is a friend who always protects others. A Girl Scout. Girl Scout is experience. A Girl Scout is a Girl Scout is different. A Girl Scout is tricky. A Girl Scout speed and outwardly. Each shadow flame shines the millions of the endpoints of the Scout group. With your goal so light your way, the goal turn to the path will you stumble. As we prepare yourselves to receive you, so you must prepare yourself to become one of us. Remember that to make the Girl Scout promise links you with the many others, and thereafter you walk not alone. As you conduct yourselves, so will other Girl Scouts be judged by you. Knowing this, do you promise in your honor to do your duty to God and your country, to help other people at all times, to obey the Girl Scout law? May I request the investing officers to invest the girls. May you always be proud to be a member of this group. And may Troop 296 Crossing Bayabas National High School always be proud to have you as a member. whenever you make a promise.
Whenever you make a promise, consider well it's important. And when we engrave it upon your heart, whenever you make a promise, consider well it's important. And when we engrave it upon your heart.
You have now taken your first step along the Girl Scout trail, a trail which never ends. There are many interesting adventures awaiting you. Of your trefoil and your honor are kept shining as brightly as the flame of these candles. They will guide you over all even ground and be an over-glowing beacon to you through the many years ahead. Congratulations, girls! You are now a member of this troop. Yes, member. Congratulations.
Star Scouts, let's shine bright together.
Nahulog inyong mga bola-bola.
Mga dancer.
The sunlight shining through to help the people every day. Where the stardust on our way to help the people every day. Here we are, the starting stars. We help the smiling face. Here we are, the starting stars. We help with a smiling face. Where the star go, watch us go. Helpful truth wherever we go. Where the star go, watch us go. Helpful truth wherever we go.
Let them come forward.
Twinklers? Asa man mo mga twinklers? Mga twink... Uy! Wala kayo nadumog ng mga tingog. Mga twinklers? Asa man mo? Good mo, mga twinklers!
Mga twinklers, sulti ko nga ang gusto ninyo mahigong star. Ang mga stars, mao ang mga bata na makahatag o kalipay sa ilahang panimalay, sa ilahang mga hinikanan, sa ilahang mama, sa ilang papa, sa ilang mga igsuon. Gusto ba ninyong mahimong star sa inyong panimalay? Karon, anaa kamo sa tama nga lugar. But before mo maka-join ang inyong sa mga cluster, kinahanglan na mag-isulti ninyo ang inyong promise. requesting ang ato ang mga investiture titas nga moanhi diri sa atubangan aron investing officers aron moanhi para i-invest ang amo ang mga twinklers. Si Tita Lorelai, si Tita Essie, and Tita Nelia.
Yes, ako mama. Oh, yes, mama. Okay. Uy, dapat yung kuhan mo. Thank you, mother.
Salamat
Tsura.
mga mama.
Kapangit ako. Kapangit ako.
Sayo pa mo?
Ladies and ladies, let's welcome and give round of applause to our Star Scouts sing and dance performance.
How do I get through the night without you? If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're the world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything good in my life. Well, tell me now, how do I live without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? We're going up, 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 this is the moment, this is the moment. We gotta be going, we gotta be going. We're going up, 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 this is the moment. We gotta be going, we gotta be going. We're going up, 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 this is the moment. We gotta be golden, we gotta be golden. We're going up, 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 this is the moment. We gotta be golden, we gotta be golden.
Uniform, alternate uniform, black polo shirt, jeans, beddings, and other related things. Patrol things, tie bar, camping tools, bolo, digging bar, shovel, broom, trash bags, whistle, and flashlight.
Nadamay yung
Nagabi.
mga diba?
All for one for all, damay. Game lang siya, guys.
Wala, ako to ako.
Mamay, 3XL kay mas go. Gitry na kung buwan na kay Pap.
Okay, Oo, wala.
Sige.
A meaningful and memorable day as we gather to the for the colleagues who may do the sign of the
Apil siya.
Hi, yung after kami mag-training, nandito kami sa mall, tapos mag-birthday pa kami mamaya. Yan tayo eh. Magbe-birthday. Yeah. As in? Ito ba? Ay. Good afternoon!
So, uy, naman na ako mga magkakit na rin. Pinasa ganin eh.
So this is the best oil in the world.
Ikaw lang
us and the teachers, but also asking fellow parents for one another na. Makinabangay dito kasi it takes a village mga to raise a child, and that's one of the po sa Girl Scout na kanang magkahiusa ang parents o ang kanang mga teachers ko. And yun mga.
Day to you. Ano? Si Jada na ni sayaw.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
God bless you.
May the Lord God bless you.